Okay, so probably the hardest part about this one is this little bit of Math 98 up here, up in the numerator. So let me just slip over here and get this piece simplified. Once we get to exponents, then expanding the log is not a big deal. I'm going to remind you the cube root is the same thing as having x y to the sixth raised to the 1/3, and then that's still over that z to the seventh. I guess there'd be big parentheses around all that. But by writing that in that fractional exponent version, now I can distribute that exponent and get everything in terms of exponents, and then I can use our properties of logs to expand. So here I'm just going to multiply that 1/3 to both the 1 and the 6. So I'll slip down here with it, and that's going to be natural log of, make x to the 1/3, and then 1/3 of 6 would make y squared over z to the 7th. And then from here we're pretty well home free. So remember, our properties of logs say that when we have an exponent, we can write that in front. When we have multiplication, that comes out addition. When we have division, that comes out subtraction. The way that I think of this is, rather than those three separate properties, I realize that this denominator here, I don't write this step out, but this is why you can do what I'm about to do. If we think of that as to the -7th, then it's all just bringing exponents down. This one's positive, so it's a plus. This one's positive, so it's a plus. This one's negative, so it's a minus. So anything out of the numerator comes down as a positive exponent. Anything from the denominator has to be a negative exponent. That's the only way it can get up there. So expanding this, we're going to get 1/3 natural, let's pretend like that says natural log of x, and then it'll be plus 2 ln y, and then minus 7 ln z. And again, you don't have to write all that out. Just realize that if it's from the denominator, it's got to be a negative, because it's from the denominator, essentially. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you still have questions.